Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 18 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. As per you know, this was our previous day questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was Sujal mission is started in which state? Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, or option D, Goa? The answer here is Odisha. Recently, the Chief Minister of the Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, had inaugurated Sujal Drink from Tap Mission scheme to provide round-the-clock supply of the quality tap drinking water in the urban area of the state, Odisha. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the Governor of Odisha. Okay, this project is about 1300 crore, and it is going to be implemented in 15 towns and benefited for the 15 lakhs people. Okay, our second question was which country has approved second coronavirus vaccine EpiVac Corona? Russia, Brazil, China, or option D, India? The answer here is Russia. Option A is correct here. Russia has given the regulatory approval to the second COVID-19 vaccine named EpiVac Corona after early stage studies. Russia is in news. Capital of Russia is Moscow. Russian ruble is the currency of Russia, and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is when International Day for Eradication of Poverty is observed? 15 October, 16 October, 17 October, or option D, 18 October? The correct answer here is 17 October. Every year, International Day for the Eradication of the Poverty is observed in 17 October. Okay, and the day aims to raise the awareness for the need to eradicate the poverty, particularly in the developing country. Our India also a developing country. Okay, the theme of 2020 is acting together to achieve social and environmental justice for all. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So next question. Supreme Court has appointed whom to monitor steps to prevent stubble burning? Deepak Mishra, Madan B. Lokar, Ranjan Gogoi, option D, none of these. The answer here is Justice Madan B. Lokar. Recently, the Supreme Court has appointed Justice Madan B. Lokar, a former judge of the Supreme Court, as a one-man monitoring committee to prevent the stubble burning in the states like Punjab, UP, and Haryana. Okay, stubble burning is a very major issue for the air pollution. Okay, you know it, and the city like Delhi, Chandigarh are very much polluted due to the stubble burning. Okay, next question. Who has launched Kapila Kalam program? As per you see the image of Education Minister, Union Education Minister here, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. The answer here is option C, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Recently, the Union Education Minister, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, has virtually launched the campaign Kapila, which stands for the Kalam program for intellectual property literacy and awareness campaign on 15 October 2020. 15 October 2020 is the 89th birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, observed recently. Okay. Next question. Who has announced My Town, My Pride program? If you guess the image, identify the image of this picture, you can guess the answer also here. Manoj Sinha, the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha is in the image here. So the Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has announced that the government is coming up with a movement called My Town, My Pride from October 19. My Town, My Pride. This program will be going to be launched in 19 October. Okay. Question number 5. Who is the author of a book titled The Battle of Belonging? Chetan Bhagat, Shashi Tharoor, Ruskin Bond. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Shashi Tharoor. The renowned actor and the politician Shashi Tharoor is set to release his new book titled The Battle of Belonging. Is to be said it is released in November. It is going to be released in November. You can see the famous writer, also the renowned politician Shashi Tharoor here. Next question. Vishal B. Verma has appointed India's next permanent representative to which organization? UNESCO, WHO, WTO, option D, ILO. The answer here is UNESCO. Recently, Vishal B. Verma has been appointed as the next permanent representative of India to UNESCO, United Nations Education and Scientific and Cultural Organization, is the abbreviation of UNESCO. He will replace Javed Ashraf. Vishal B. Verma replace Javed Ashraf. Okay. UNESCO is in News. Headquarters of UNESCO is situated in Paris, France. Okay, and the head of the UNESCO is Audrey Azoulay, and it is established in 16 November 1945. 1945 UNESCO is established. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Politician Kapil Deo Kamat passed away. He was from which state? Odisha, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, or option D, Rajasthan. The answer here is Bihar. Recently, the Bihar's Panchayati Raj Minister Kapil Deo Kamat recently passed away due to COVID-19. Okay, he was a JDU MLA. He belongs from the political party JDU. Okay, you can see the image of politician Kapil Deo here. Next question. Michael Irani has been appointed as interim president of which organization? IWF, WTO, ILO, option D, AIIB. The answer here is IWF. Dr. Michael Irani of the Great Britain has been appointed as the interim president of the International Weightlifting Federation. The IWF stands for International Weightlifting Federation. Okay, you can see the image of Michael Irani here. Okay, recently the interim president of IWF. Question number 9. Who has participated in the 102nd meeting of World Bank? Nirmala Sitharaman, Smriti Irani, Hardeep Singh Puri, or option D, none of these. The answer here is Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Recently, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman participated in the 102nd meeting of the World Bank Development Committee on 16 October. Okay, World Bank is in News. The headquarters is situated in Washington DC, and the president of World Bank is David Malpass. Next question. Mission Shakti is started in which state? Jharkhand, Assam, Sikkim, or option D, Uttar Pradesh. The answer here is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh government launched a 6-month-long women empowerment program, Mission Shakti. Mission Shakti is an women empowerment program to raise the awareness. Okay, and the Governor Anandibhen Patel launched this campaign. Uttar Pradesh is in News. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Governor is Anandibhen Patel. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. As per this is our question of the day. You have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Please try to answer it more in comment section. Okay, our first question is, which country is elected as the president of International Solar Alliance? Okay, our second question is, when World Food Day is observed? Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay, it is very much helpful for you because current affairs is common in all competitive examinations. Okay, if you follow the current affairs daily, then it is very much helpful for your every competitive examinations. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. If you think that you got the rich amount of the data here and the rich amount of the facts which is helpful for your examination, then you can share it in your educational related group also. Thank you. Have a great day.